All right, now we are going to jump into section 2.4, and we're going to look at equations where there's variables on both sides. And first thing you can do is take down this goal right here. What we're going to do for all these problems is when I have variables on the left side and the right side of the equal sign, I want to eliminate the smaller variable. So I want to move this smaller variable to the other side of the equation. All right, so let's do the first one. Right, the first one, so I'm going to draw a line going straight down the middle. And if I look at each side, I have a 2x here, I have an x here. More importantly, I can't combine 2x minus 2. They're not like terms. Same thing with 3 plus x. So this is where I'm going to go to this goal. I'm going to move the smaller variable. But what is smaller, this x or 1x or this 2x? This is smaller, the 1x. So if I want to get rid of the 1x, since it's positive 1x, I subtract x. This goes away, so I just have 3 on the right side, and I subtract x on the left side. Notice how I line up the like terms. And then this, 2x minus x is x, and then I bring down this minus 2. Just like that, when I move all the variables to one side, then I have an easy one-step equation. Then I would just add 2 to each side, and 3 plus 2 gives us 5. All right, let's move to number 2. Now, number 2 is almost going to be identical to number 1 as far as the steps are. So let's draw the line straight down the middle. Now, again, if I look at 2, I can't do 8 minus 6x. They're not like terms. Same thing with this. I can't do 6 minus 4x. So that tells me move the smaller variable to the other side. Now, this could be a little tricky. Don't forget the negatives. This is negative 6x. This is negative 4x. You might think that this is the smaller one, but since there's a negative in front, negative 6 is smaller than negative 4. And since this is minus, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add 6x to both sides. So I'm going to add 6x here. This cancels out. So I just have 8 on the right side. And I'm going to add 6x to the left side. I line it up with the like term of negative 4x. This 6 I just bring down. And this right here, negative 4x plus 6x, that's positive 2x. Now, unlike number 1, you can see actually I'm going to have 2 steps left. Now, this should be very easy. This should be automatic for you. So now I'm just going to focus on the left side because the variable's only on the left side. I'm going to subtract 6. That goes away. Subtract 6 there. So I have 2x equals this 8 minus 6 is 2. And then I divide both sides by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. That's my answer. All right, so that was variables on both sides. The main point there is you want to eliminate the smaller variable and move it to the other side.